Hello to everyone and welcome to our day 5 of our spoken English course challenge. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today is most exciting and most wanted topic I cater today in my day 5 of our spoken English course. The topic is I can speak English to myself, but I am not able to speak English in front of audiences or in a public appearances or with my friends, with my colleagues. So this is a very important topic to cater here to understand while speaking English confidently and fluently in front of anyone, regardless of having any sort of fear in your mind, any reluctance in your mind, or you can say some sort of any hesitation. So don't you have sort of any fear. I will tell you some important techniques, some tips, and some important elaborated points that how you overcome your fear and reluctance to speak English in front of public. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before going to start this video, please go to my channel and subscribe it and share with your friends and your colleagues. I am going to tell you some important detailed points to help you basically to overcome your reluctance to speak English in public. That you are not even confused to even speak English in front of only yourself. You are capable and you are strong enough to speak English in front of anyone. Number 1 point is identify the root cause. The first step in overcoming reluctance is to identify the root cause of your fear. It could be, I can say, a lack of your confidence in your spoken English skills. You can also say that a fear of making mistakes or a lack of your experience speaking in public. But once you identify the root cause, the main issue, the highlighted issue that you're suffering, that you are not able to talk in front of public appearances, then you can easily assess to them and overcome these hurdles to talk English in front of publicly. Number 2 point is practice speaking in public. Practice is essential for building confidence when speaking English in public. You can say, start by speaking with a small group of people which you usually surround, such as your friends, your family members, and gradually work your way up to the larger audiences. Like you can easily join some sort of local English speaking clubs in your surroundings, your group of colleagues, which you can exchange your thoughts, your ideas in multiple sort of events that will help you to gain more confidence in speaking English in public appearances. Number 3 is prepare thoroughly. Preparation is key to reducing any kind of reluctance in your life. Practice your speech or presentation beforehand and familiarize yourself with any new vocabulary or grammar structures you may need to use. Number 4 is focus on your strengths, your capabilities. Everyone has their own strengths. When it comes to speaking English, focus on what you do well and build on that. This can help to boost your confidence and make you feel more comfortable when speaking in public. In which way? Like some people are more familiar, some people has more confidence to speak English without using a more, you can say, very fancy words of vocabulary. They can use simple narrative form of English and being a very confident while speaking in front of anyone. But there are also a group of bunch of people which use a very high scale of vocabulary of English and grammatical skills to speak in front of publicly. So it's all your strengths, all your capabilities. You know you in which area of your field that you are strong enough or capable enough that you can able to speak English in front of anyone. So you can make a sketch or a map that what are your capabilities, what are your shortcomings and your strengths. So by knowing these all type of skills and your like gaps, you can identify, once you identify your gaps, You are capable to talk to English in front of anyone, not only to yourself, your family members, in public, you can give them an interview. So this technique is very helpful for you. Number 5 is use positive self-talk. Positive self-talk can help you to overcome negative thoughts, you know that, and build your confidence. Try to talk yourself in different time intervals to even gain your confidence. Tell yourself that you can do this and you can do anything, and that you are capable of speaking English in public. Encourage yourself as well with the positive affirmations and remind yourself of your past successes that I am the achiever, I have achieved this kind of goal, I have achieved that kind of goals, and now I am capable to achieve more in my life. Number 6 is visualize success. Visualize yourself speaking confidently and effectively in front of any audience. Once close your eyes and imagine yourself delivering your speech flawlessly. So visualization can certainly help to reduce your stress, your burden, your reluctance, and certainly it will boost your confidence, increase your confidence, and you are able to speak English in front of anyone, whether it will be a foreigner person in front of standing you or a native speaker is speaking with you. Number 7 is take small steps. Start with small speaking engagements, such as speaking in front of a small group of friends or colleagues. But as you become more comfortable, you can gradually work your way up to the larger audiences. Number 8 is get a feedback. Getting a feedback from others can help you to identify your areas where you need to improve and build your confidence. You can easily ask your mentor, anyone which is in your family, your friends, or your boss, your colleagues, your subordinate, which will help you to regain your confidence, and they can speak to your listening during speaking and presentation and provide you a very constructive and a very healthy feedback which help you to gain your confidence. Number 9 is watch and listen. Watch and listen to others who speak English so well. This can help you to learn new and exciting words and phrases. Improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation will help you to regain your confidence, and by saying the word in a very appropriate way, you will certainly gain a 10 times or multiple confidence, and you can able to speak your sentence in a very structured form, and you can talk to anyone with a very fluent and appropriate way. Number 10 and the last is don't be afraid to make any kind of mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when speaking English in public. Instead, you can use your mistakes as an opportunity to learn and grow and improve your skills towards English speaking language. So it will help you to regain your confidence and to overcome your all reluctancy, your fear, your trauma that you are not able to talk to English in front of anyone. If you able to talk in English with yourself, then certainly you have this power, your capabilities, and you have some vocabulary words, also some confidence, then you can easily talk to anyone. In conclusion, overcoming reluctance to speak English in public requires practice, preparation, positive self-talk with yourself, and visualization. Identify the root cause of your reluctance as well, and practice speaking in public. Prepare thoroughly, focus on your strengths, use positive self-talk and visualization. Take these all small steps one by one. Get the feedback, watch and listen to others, and don't be afraid of making mistakes or blunders, you can say. With time and persistence, you can overcome your reluctance and become a confident speaker of English language. I will certainly assure you for that. I hope you find this video very helpful and productive for you. By following these all steps one by one and practicing them regularly, you find yourself confident enough and motivated enough to speak English in a very fluent and effective form with anyone that surrounds you. I will catch you inshallah in the next day of our spoken English course, and that amazing topic will be inshallah about without having a good grammatical skills. Can you able to speak English confidently? So if you really like my video in any context and manner, please go to my channel and subscribe it and give a huge thumbs up and share with your colleagues and friends. I will catch you inshallah in the next day of my spoken English challenge course. Till then, have a great care of yourself. Keep remembering me in your good prayers. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.